Welcome to Baude Extrusion, the leading innovator in precision tube extrusion equipment. Today we showcase our third-generation PA nylon precision tube extrusion line, revealing its superior performance and wide applications. PA nylon tubes, known for their outstanding resistance to bending, fatigue, stretching, chemical corrosion, and their smooth inner walls, are the ideal choice for automotive fuel systems, braking systems, and special medium conveyance. Commonly used materials include PA11, PA12, PA6, PA66, and PA612, offering immense market potential and significant added value. With extensive practical experience and advanced Japanese technology, Baude Extrusion has successfully developed the third-generation PA precision tube extrusion line trusted by customers at home and abroad. Our clients include industry leaders such as Sano, Hutchinson, Teclis, Pass, Pengling, etc. In 2022, Hutchinson partnered with Baude Extrusion to introduce PA-TPE monolayer tube extrusion lines, achieving an impressive capacity of 60 to 80 m/h for OD6 mm PA tube. The successful operation of this project highlights our technical strength and quality assurance. The equipment features a DSBMT matic barrier type mixing screw, specifically designed for PA materials with high thermal sensitivity, flowability, and melting viscosity, ensuring uniform plasticization and efficient extrusion. Core components are made from Sweden's ASAB S136 die steel, precision ground for superior flow surface gloss and corrosion resistance. Our proprietary high-pressure volumetric mold design ensures stable and efficient extrusion. Our self-developed automatic accurate vacuum control technology separates vacuum and water system management. Combined with multi-level water balance control, it ensures stable vacuum pressure, water levels, and flow, significantly improving production efficiency. The production line integrates the high-precision diameter measurement system with closed-loop feedback, effectively eliminating diameter deviations. Equipped with Siemens PLC and HMI, the servo-driven cutting system supports precise, continuous, timed, and length-specific cutting, meeting diverse product length requirements. Baude Extrusion, dedicated to the development and manufacturing of precision extrusion equipment, leads the industry with innovation and excellence. We look forward to working with you to create a brilliant future together. Baude Extrusion, the pioneer in precision extrusion equipment.